Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to redirect your attention by exercises on the Nomo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should add your Touch ID or type in your PIN code in order to open the application. After that, go to your home page, scroll down to the refocus button, tap on it. As you can see, you have 4 exercises that will help you to redirect your attention and refocus your mind: bubble wrap, reflex, breathing, and memory. So tap on one of them. Here you are going to find circles and you need to tap on the circle in the middle to start the game. So all you have to do is just tapping on these bubbles to refocus your attention. So after, if you are done and you would like to quit the game, tap on the X button and you can try out the reflex exercise. Here you are going to find a series of circles that will appear in random places. They will be shown very shortly, and if you don't tap in time, your score will reset. So tap on the circle to continue and tap on the circles again to play with this game. And if you want to quit the game, click on the X button down below. Here you have the breathing exercise. So you should hold your finger on the circle and breathe in as it grows. If you are done, you should tap on the X button and you can try out the memory game, meaning that you should tap on any circle of the displayed ones to begin the game. You are going to see the circles with number 1 to 9 mixed up. They will disappear, and then you should tap the circles in numerical order without messing it up. So like this. Tap on the X button, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.